All right, this is Wes with Sharp Roofing. We're here for another segment of Roofing University. Today we're going to talk about this. This happens to be on a residential home, but it's the same on a commercial building where they've installed a hot mop or asphalt built-up roof system, hot tar roof system, where they mop down 3-foot wide pieces of fiberglass mat, and then they lap them over. So this thing is 3 feet wide, but they only expose a foot, so it's about 3 layers thick over the top of a base sheet. This one happens to have some slope in it as well. And then they flood coat the top with tar. But the sun, just like it does in the shingles when your granules are gone, will evaporate this with no coating or cover on it. They used to put, and this may have had it at one time, but it wears out pretty quickly, a fibrous aluminum coat on this, which is kind of some nasty stuff. And so after that, what they came up with were some of our acrylics and silicones as coatings, with silicone being the best, to coat this to stop the solar degradation, because the sun, again, just like it will in the shingles when the granules are gone, as you can see, it evaporates the asphalt out, and all you're left with, all these white spots you see, are the fiberglass mat, and obviously it's the asphalt that's waterproof, not the fiberglass. So this roof definitely needs to be top coated to stop the solar degradation that's occurring. It's the same thing that causes all this cracking that you see here, okay? That's the sun evaporating the flexibility out of that asphalt emulsion. So when we talk to you about silicone top coats, it's not just to stay cool, it's not just to keep you dry, it's also to protect the roof underneath from the sun so that it can't continue to damage it over time. And those silicone roofs last a long time. We can talk with you about that. Hope you find that helpful. Thank you.